Okay, guys, welcome to Rosen College. Today we're going to talk about poaching and rice making. So we're going to show you how to make rice in this step. It's really easy. There's different ways to make rice. So I'm going to go with a basic one. We're going to start with my pot here. We're going to add some oil. So we're going to turn the pot in medium heat. We're going to add some oil. And I'm going to saute some of the vegetables. So this is kind of a rice pilaf. Have some onions, right? I have some shallots, some garlic, and some peppers. Okay. This step, what we're gonna do, we're gonna sweat the vegetables. Keep in mind, we don't want a lot of color here. We don't want caramelization. I just want to sweat the vegetables, and that way they start getting flavors out. This is the first step. Can smell it. Smells really good. Now we're gonna add the rice. In this case, I'm gonna use long grain rice. So we add the rice, saute the rice with the vegetables and oil. Season it, salt and pepper. And now in this point, I'm gonna add my stock. You can use water, you can use any liquid. In this case, I'm gonna use nice chicken stock. And you're gonna add the stock until you cover the rice. Put it here on medium heat. Stir it once. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna let the stock, the liquid, evaporate a little bit, and this is gonna take a few more minutes. So so you need to be patient. When we get to this point, we're gonna stir it, we're gonna cover it, lower the heat, and let it steam for a few more minutes. So let's wait. Okay, we get to this point. You see how the water start absorbing, the rice start absorbing the water. Oh, beautiful. So now we're gonna stir it, right? Making sure it's not sticking in the bottom. And now we're gonna cover it. We're gonna lower the temp to low, and we're gonna let this steam now for at least 15 minutes. So see you in 15 minutes. Okay, you get to this point, you see how the steam come out. Oh, rice is beautiful. So I'm gonna stir it again. Oh, you see, that's the way rice should be, fluffy. Nice. And I'm gonna cover it because I still need a few more minutes. So I'm gonna cover it, let it cook for 5 minutes, and the rice is done. Okay, now we're gonna talk about poaching, and we're gonna make a poached egg. It's a really quick way to make a poached egg. Very important things: temperature. The water need to be on the right temperature. It need to be simmering, really low temp. You see, one way to know it is when you have the bubbles. You see the bubbles in the water, small, really small bubbles. You don't want the water too hot, otherwise the movement will break down the eggs. Another thing is the poaching liquid. In this case, I'm using water and vinegar. We need the acid. It will help to coagulate the egg whites in the egg. So basically, a poached egg is an egg yolk surrounded by the egg whites, right? But the egg white will be solidified, it will be cooked, and the egg yolk in the center will be a little bit running. So I crack my egg. I have my pot here with the water. I'm gonna make a swirl here to help me to move the egg. So I'm gonna drop the egg slowly. Good. And now with my spoon, I'm gonna move the egg gentle, basically moving the water, because what you don't want, what you want to prevent is the egg stick in the bottom. Okay, so this process is going to take a few minutes. I'm going to wait until the egg white is completely cooked and the egg yolk need to be a little bit running. Okay, time passed, and now the egg is ready. You can see the egg white is completely cooked, the egg yolk still running, right? Beautiful. So you see it take around 2 or 3 minutes. Basically, when you see the egg start floating, that means the egg is done. So that's a poached egg. Okay, so now we have the final product, and I have those beautiful poached shrimp. This is gonna be my salad. So I poach it in a court bouillon, really nice. I have my rice pilaf here with my poached egg, and look at this. This is a little bit of hot sauce because I love this. Look at this. Boom. Oh, beautiful. And you know what? It's gonna be my lunch. Okay, guys. See you next time.